Greetings viewers, thanks for tuning in. It's me, Eric the Car Guy, back with another video for you and another birthday greeting. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Have a cake. Or better still, I'll tell you that yes, I am working on the truck. As you can see, there's stuff missing from the back. I'm gonna replace it. Well, I'm gonna put the stuff back, but better than before. And that's kind of why I wanted to talk to you today, because I'm super excited. I want to share with you something that I learned from my dad last week, and that's he is going on the power tour with me. Yes! I really got to finish this truck now. But I've been sort of communicating back and forth with Dad. I've already made my reservations and everything. And by the way, as far as the power tour is concerned, sign up and get the notifications when they come out with the dates and everything, because they sell out almost instantaneously. I was hoping to get the platinum package and be done with it this year. Never gonna happen. In fact, unless you're like quick like a bunny and you get on it like the minute they put those things out, your likelihood of being able to purchase the all-inclusive power tour package are pretty low. Instead, I got a couple of long hauler passes for me and my dad, and I actually had to set up my own hotel rooms and everything. Like I said, the power tour fills up quick. There are a lot of people that participate. I think this is gonna be a really great trip for me and my dad. So in a way, I see this as an opportunity to give back to my dad, who has given so much to me over the years and help raise me and all that kind of stuff, help transfer the sickness of automotive. Dad was a mechanic, not an auto mechanic. He worked on plastic molding machines at a toy company, which we will not mention because we don't like them, because they weren't very nice to Dad towards the end. But that being said, this is one of those bucket list kind of things. I mean, it's a father-son kind of deal, and that's why I'm going all in on this truck, because I want to put it together and show him how far my skills have come, hopefully. And he can sit in a traffic jam out in the middle of the countryside in air-conditioned comfort while I'm right there with him in my car. And we can explore part of the U.S. It's all Midwest tour this time. I'm just really looking forward to it. I'm stoked. I'm not just doing the power tour this year. Like last year, I'm traveling around to different car shows. I'm going to make a list of those actually really soon. The March newsletter is where I'm going to post that, and then I'll probably keep adding to it, and I'm going to look to see if I can find a way to add that information to my website. The reason I mention this is because I'm no longer doing meetups here at the shop. Instead, what I'm doing is when I travel around to these different car shows around the country, I'm letting people know that I'll be there, and we can have like little mini meetups. And this way you might not have to drive so far, because I might just show up in your town or neighborhood or whatever. But the power tour is going to be a part of that. And yes, I have committed. Like I said, I've purchased the tickets, hotel rooms, and all those kinds of things. Dad is in. I'm really excited, and I'm looking forward to spending this time with him. But I wanted to share that with you, show you that the truck is making progress. I didn't just say I'm going to do a bunch of stuff to it. No, it's here. We're working on it. Are you going to the power tour? Have you done the power tour in the past? I mean, I got, 3 days in last time and had to leave. Long story. You can check my social media and those newsletters that I mentioned for more information on that. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. If you have automotive questions, ericthecarguy.com will be linked below. Go there and it will help you. Aside from that, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and do all those things that help make a living and pay for things like a trip to the power tour with my dad. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty, and I'll see you next time. Yes, it's cold today. So what?